Hey guys, I'm back with another video, and as there are no signs of the rain and the mercury is not willing to calm down, I bring you up with a new product for these types of days. It's the VOLTAS Tower AC Cooler of 35 liter capacity. It's cheap, handy, and what else is it up to? Let's check it out in today's video. Myself Abhishek from EM, and not further wasting any time, let's get started. In the front, we have the two locking wheels and the quality of the wheels is really good. Then, we have the water level indicator or the tank level indicator with the minimum, medium and the maximum marking on it. Then, we have the VOLTAS branding, and on top of it, we have an opening from where you can fill in the water, which I will show you later in this video. Then we have the air vent, and on the top, we have the panel with the LED display and LED lights for each function. In the back, we have two more wheels and they are not lockable. And the overflow hole from where the water will overflow and the filter on the top. On the top we have some labeling and the ice tray or chamber. On the panel we have the on and off button, the tank alarm button, the timer, the swing button, cool button, and the fan button which can be set to low, medium and high, and also the LED display. At the back we have the air filter which can be removed. And beneath it is the cooling pad with the honeycomb design. You can also remove the pad by opening these screws. Now let's see how to fill the tank and its functions. You can use a pipe and fill it from the opening provided as shown, or you can also use a mug to fill it. You can monitor the water level on the indicator provided. Make sure that you don't fill the water more than the max marking or it might overflow. To get even more cooler air, you can fill the ice chamber with ice as shown. Or you can use cold water as per your comfortability. Or you can use both. You are also provided with a remote which has the power, fan speed, swing, cool, dry, timer and the display button. You can use the remote for functioning as well. These features come in handy while sleeping or doing some work. The display option is also given to turn off the display in night so you don't get disturbed by it in the night. Now let's see what maintenance we have to do. For it, let's look at the bottom of the cooler where you will find a drain plug. You can unplug the drain to remove the old water or when you feel like changing the water. Make sure that you unplug it in a drainable area. As you see, the water will start draining as soon as you remove the plug. You can even wash the filter and the cooling pad with fresh water so that the dust does not interfere with its performance. You can put the filter and drain plug back when you are finished with the maintenance and fill it with water and it's again ready to use. You can also use the dry function to avoid filling water, and the only difference is that you will get unmoisturized air. Well, if you are tight on your budget and don't want the hassle of installing an AC and want something quick and so easy to maneuver, then surely this is the right product for you. You can also check out different types of coolers with different shapes, heights and water capacities according to your choice. And if you like this video, don't forget to like and share this video and subscribe to my channel, as new and more exciting content is on its way to this channel. Till then, ciao. Press start.